guys, I'm Qasim. Today we're making kabab, but a little bit different. This time it's not chicken, it's lamb. This time it's lamb. So this is lamb keema in the bag. And this is 2 tomatoes, 3 onions and chili. And this is the spices, chili flakes, salt, all 1 tablespoon. This is salt, chili flakes. And there's the eggs, 3 eggs, and the ginger and garlic paste. Guys, today special Chapli kabab, and we grate here. We grate onions and chili, and this is spices, chili flakes, salt, coriander powder, and this is 3 eggs, and this is mint keema. We washed and pressed and take it off water. The water's gone. And we need this is eggs. I'm gonna mix in eggs. Then we add tomato and cutting onions and chili. Now we add spices. Then we're giving salt. So now I'm putting 2 tablespoons of oil. Then after we spreading all, and after we putting inside egg mixture. Mixing. This is my style. This is my style. Chapli kabab. This one is all taken off water. Now we're adding mince inside the mixture. This Chapli kabab is different style. It's my style. Now we're putting 1 cup of corn flour. This is corn flour makeka atta. This is chaat masala 1 tablespoon. So we put 1 tablespoon chaat masala. And then we put inside fried egg. After we spreading, mixing. You never eaten before Chapli kabab. This is my own recipe. It's delicious. And now we add the besan flour. This is 1 cup. Then we're mixing. We're mixing already. This is Chapli kabab. You never seen before, and it's very delicious taste. Guys, this is my own recipe. We never seen before, but this is my own recipe. This is Chapli kebab, different style. We 20 minutes rest until we fry. So guys, after half an hour, Allah's all resting. Now we're making kebab shape into circle. This is Chapli kebab, my own recipe. One day you can do shallow fry and one day you can do deep fry. This is shallow fry and this is deep fry. First we're gonna try deep fry. Shallow fry is big size. This is very big kebab. Now we put in shallow fry. And Qasim can. So now the kebab is done. This is my own recipe, Shami kebab. So now we're gonna drink. We're dipping with chutney. Mmm. And very nice. Now I'll try this one. Shallow fry. With chutney again. Mmm. They're both delicious. Sorry, my mistake is triple kebab. No, sorry, my mistake is no Shami's triple kebab. It's my own recipe. It's very delicious. Triple kebab is my own recipe. Please like, subscribe, share with your family, friends. And please eat this triple kebab. This is triple kebab from my aunt Zainab Khan. My lovely auntie Zainab Khan. Okay, bye guys, bye. I hope you eat this. Very delicious.